On Sunday the 22nd of September, I will be going to the Cork Autism Conference, organised by Autism Cork, in the Clayton Hotel, Silver Springs, Tivoli, and I shall be speaking about how I turned my autism into my career. This talk will really delve into what it was like growing up autistic and how that all worked when I approached the working world. I faced many struggles throughout my working career, and I tried various different jobs, but ultimately I found self-employment being an option for me, but even that has its challenges. So I want to talk about everything that's out there that's available to people on the spectrum. I'll be talking about the struggles that I've had, but also reasons why being on the spectrum can almost be a benefit in some ways. Tickets are available now. Super early bird tickets are nearly sold out though, so click the link to go and book tickets now. It's my first time speaking abroad and I'm so excited about this. And there's so many other cool things going on in the day. I'm just going to put a flyer up on screen now of all the other people that are speaking there. I'm actually a 16th Irish myself, so I will go and discover that heritage of mine, kind of. I'm really looking forward to it and I hope to see you there.